Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about division. You guys are already familiar with the division, but let's have a quick recap. First of all, we write the total number of objects, and that is known as dividend. Then I'm going to put the sign of division. The number to be divided is known as dividend, and then number of objects in a group is known as divisor, or the number by which we divide is the divisor. Then equal to sign is put, and then total number of groups that are being made is known as the quotient, or the answer of the division is also known as the quotient. Now let's have an example. This is the sign of division we are going to discuss. In this sign of division, we write the dividend inside, divisor is written outside, and divisor tells you which table you are going to say. Like this, I am going to say the table of 2, and 2 is also the group size. That means in one group I am going to put 2 balls. I have to make groups of 10 balls. Now 2 groups of 2 balls is equal to 4 balls, 3 groups of 2 balls is equal to 6 balls, 4 groups of 2 balls is equal to 8 balls, and 5 groups of 2 balls is equal to 10. That means I was able to make 5 groups of 10 balls, and that is known as the quotient or number of groups. It will be written at the top. Now the next step is I'm going to subtract the 10 because I was given 10 and I made the groups of equal number. Now that's why I have to subtract it, and now my remainder will be 0. Let's have some more examples. How many groups we can make of 4 balls from 20? 20 is the total number of objects and 4 is the group size or the divisor. That means we are going to say the table of 4. So 1 group of 4 balls is equal to 4, 2 groups of 4 balls is equal to 8, 3 groups of 4 balls is equal to 12, 4 groups of 4 balls is equal to 16, 5 groups of 4 balls is equal to 20. So 20 balls are being equally divided into 5 groups. Now how I am going to perform the division? First of all, I will write down the sign. Then I'm going to write the total number of objects. There is a hint for you guys that write down 20 because that is the bigger number that is given to you. It will be written inside. That is the total number of objects, or known as dividend. Then I'm going to write down 4 outside. That is the divisor. As you know, I made 5 groups of 4 balls. So 5 will be written at the top. That is known as the quotient. Now as I was able to equally distribute the 20 balls, so now I'm going to subtract that or cut that from the 20. So my remainder will be 0 because no balls are left. All balls are being equally put in the groups. How many groups we can make of 3 seahorses from 15? If I have 15 seahorses and I have to make group of 3s, how I can do it? Now I'm going to say the table of 3. 1 group of 3 horses is equal to 3, 2 group of 3 is equal to 6, 3 groups of 3 seahorses is equal to 9, 4 groups of 3 seahorses is equal to 12, and 5 groups of 3 seahorses is equal to 15. So that means I was able to equally distribute 15 seahorses in 5 groups, and 5 is my answer. Now how I will do the division? I will write the sign, write 15 inside, that is the total number or the dividend, and I'm going to write 3 outside. As I know, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, or 5 here. I'm going to write it at the top. Now I'm going to subtract 15 from the given 15 because I was given 15 and I made 15 equal groups of 15 seahorses. So I'm going to subtract it now, and my remainder will be 0. Now this is your written task. You have to read the table as given in the questions and perform the division that is being discussed in the video. I hope you like it. Take care and Allah Hafiz.